Ever wondered how those adorable little puppies transform into disciplined, well-behaved companions? Well, the answer lies in the art of effective puppy training. Today, we delve into the world of puppy training, breaking down this seemingly complex process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Establish a routine. Consistency is key when it comes to puppy training. A routine sets the rhythm of the day, giving the puppy a sense of security and predictability. This includes setting regular times for meals, walks, playtime, and potty breaks. Step 2. Use positive reinforcement. Rewarding good behavior is far more effective than punishing bad behavior. Whenever the puppy acts in a desirable way, give it a treat, a toy, or lots of praise. Remember, puppies respond best to positive reinforcement. Step 3. Teach basic commands. Start with simple commands like sit, stay, come, and down. Use a firm yet gentle voice and reward the puppy every time it follows the command correctly. Step 4. Socialize the puppy. Exposing the puppy to different environments, people, and other animals is crucial. This helps the puppy to become a well-adjusted and confident adult dog. Step 5. Leash training. Start by letting the puppy get used to wearing a collar and leash. Later, teach it to walk by your side without pulling on the leash. Step 6. Potty training. This is a critical part of puppy training. Take the puppy outside after every meal and praise it when it does its business. Be patient, as this step might take some time. So there we have it, the ABCs of puppy training, starting with establishing a routine, using positive reinforcement, teaching basic commands, socializing the puppy, leash training, and finally, potty training. Remember, patience and consistency are your best friends in this journey. Training a puppy is not a one-day event, but a continuous process that shapes the behavior and character of your furry friend. Every puppy is unique and might take its own time to learn and adapt. So don't rush the process. Enjoy the journey, savor the adorable moments, and celebrate the milestones. After all, these precious memories of the adorable beginnings are what make the journey of puppyhood so special.